Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Okay, I didn't really think that part's true, but anyways, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we are unboxing a Shark Hoover that I cannot remember the name. What Hoover it is?
Okay, let me see. Name real quick. So I'll have to look on.
She's doing like a soldier. This is the box. Well, I'm just going to say some more bits.
Okay, this is the Shark Detect Pro cordless vacuum cleaner with 1.3 liters of auto empty system, ultra lightweight anti-hair wrap vacuum cleaner with service.
Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put the thing here. You can take a screenshot and see what it is. So if you ever want to buy the Hoover that looks like this, here is a review for it. We'll put the proper name soon. What is that?
It says here that it costs £400, which is true.
Yes.
However, we got very good Prime Day deal, so we only paid £156.
Yes,
But
£156. See, it's back to £400 now, but we only paid £156 because we bought it on Prime Day.
That's a very good deal right there.
Yes.
And
Okay, this is the new toy of the house. Oh, please, can someone turn off that thing? The music. Yeah, don't.
That's my yoga. And Dad, I made a purse with my
Fantastic. You can show us what purse did you make while your mom is busy slicing this.
the way they have wrapped it is as if nobody will ever
Okay,
open it.
while we're waiting for this to be unboxed, well, to be unwrapped.
That's not part of the video.
Yes, it is.
It is
Marina,
here.
please show
See,
me.
that's the top of the box.
Oh, wow.
Very exciting.
Okay, I think this is the real name now. It's called Shark Detect Pro. That's what we bought, not what name you're saying.
Well, I said
Shark
that
Detect
first,
Pro.
and then I was explaining all this. It's an auto-empty system,
Yeah, but
and
that's
it's
not part of
1.3
the
liter
name.
capacity. It is. It's
isn't.
right there. It's Shark Detect Pro auto-empty system because they have the Shark Detect Pro without the auto-empty.
Okay, all right, let's just open it now. Oh, this has auto empty.
Exactly, it does,
Fantastic.
and the other ones don't. Okay, I think pause the video. The box here has been damaged.
Okay,
so
we've
sweat-
just managed to pull this out of here, and we've seen there's a little bit of damage. It's fine.
Anyway,
Anyways, we've unboxed it, and we've seen a little damage here. Hopefully something hasn't damaged from the inside of the box because it wrapped the broke from the outside.
so that's a
And then the
quick
inside
start
as well.
on how you
So yes, this is a quick start guide. And then we have in here safety instructions. Yeah, safety instruction. And by the way, you get 5 years warranty. If anybody ever gets to use this thing for up to 5 years.
Hey, we're gonna use you for 5 years.
Amen. Okay, so here we have the base bottom part of the Hoover.
That's cool.
nice one.
Can I shoot the other side of the box?
Yeah.
So, if you just unbox this part of the Shark Detect Pro, and today we're just doing the unboxing. It has anti-hair.
Wrap system.
Yes, anti-hair wrap system, so hair doesn't tangle in there.
Yes, short and long
Here's a
hair.
closer look of it.
Thank you.
We're going to make a full review on this in a few days' time
Yeah.
when we have more time to do that. But wow,
And that's
one
pretty
of the
much
attachments when you want to make it a small.
yes.
small
So this is pretty much the main Hoover, to be fair. This is the home. This is the engine in here. That's the battery, which you
And
can
this
all
is a closer look.
you can order the battery from the websites as well. You can also
This
take
is
the.
a closer look.
Thank you very much, Marina. Closer. And here we have
The bar.
yes. And by the way, I'm just going to give my another thing. So before we bought this Hoover, we had a look at different types of different Hoovers. And to be honest with you, they are just so confusing. I can't even tell what does, what makes one different from the other. Aside battery life, I can't really tell anything else, to be fair. What makes one Hoover different from other. There is one extension here.
This is cool because it has an anti-odor technology. So
Oh,
it's like
fantastic.
a little filter.
Oh, we have
so
filter.
that when you store
Yeah.
like your auto empty station,
you.
basically you don't empty it every single day.
Thank you.
So it
Thanks,
will
Marina.
basically not smell when you store your.
And we'll
rubbish or
see.
whatever.
Anyways, I'll use the Hoover and let you know. Well, we'll use the Hoover and let you know whether it's good or not. Me, I can always just say good, bad, and that's the
That's the
auto empty
station.
station.
No, put that down.
Yeah.
Put it down.
So this is one more thing. Thank you very much, Marina.
So I'll show this.
Marina helps with close up.
Okay.
You know,
So-
that's not how you do it. I'm not doing any more videos.
So I think.
I've been reduced to the person who puts it together. This is my attempt.
Yeah. That was my attempt. That was my attempt. And then I think.
No, I think that's just an extension.
No, Dad, maybe it's this. Yeah, and then this might be at the top.
There you go. That's the Hoover, and once on its own, let's put this back down. Oh, this is one more thing for Michael to break. Okay, now this goes in here.
Yeah, and then this. Don't I think that goes at the top?
No, that doesn't go in there. That's just an extender. You
Okay.
I don't know where this normally goes. Probably goes somewhere.
This
There's one
is
more
for
thing.
the filter, that place. You put the other filter in there.
Okay. There we go.
Where does it go?
Should
That
be
probably
nice.
goes there.
To know where we can buy and refill this.
Just leave it. Leave it.
Oh, I shouldn't open it.
Here, open mum.
Oops. Should I put it in here?
Yes.
Oh, it smells nice. I know. Oh, there's one more part to open. Oh, no, there's not. Yeah.
That smells really good and it refreshes.
Yeah.
the flavor properly.
Yes.
Dad, there's some.
Oh, that is the max. And this is off. Or lock. Wow, that's interesting. Okay. And this is the end of our unboxing video presented by Marina, Michael, and Daddy. And something bit of Mommy as well, because she's behind the camera.
Gabriella.
Her name is Mommy. Thank you very much. And my name is Daddy. Alright, that's it for now.